we are a government agency, a service agency, aside from a health insurance agency. Kailangan natin ubusin yan para sa benepisyo ng miyembro, di ba? So, why will you declare an 89 billion excess fund when there are people who are still struggling to pay the hospital bills? There are hospitals that haven't been paid. Yung benefit packages natin, maganda pakinggan pero hindi nyo naman sinasagot lahat. So, yun. That's why I'm very, I welcome the TRO of the Supreme Court on the excess funds of PhilHealth, no, that will be transferred supposedly to the National Treasury. I'm hoping, that's why I'm calling also on our counterparts in the House of Representatives to prioritize already the amendment of the Universal Healthcare Act, which includes, of course, yung adjustment to the rates, no, na ibababa yung rates, and